14, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 6. So again, please tell me, is it possible to construct a triangle using these three
Yes,
sides?
sir.
Still, see that?
No, sir.
No, actually, this is the condition that uh, see that A plus B must be equal to C. Okay, B plus C must be equal to A, and finally A plus, sorry, C plus A plus C must be equal to B. These three conditions must exist, otherwise you won't be able to form a triangle using these three sides. Let just wait for a while, I'm just coming. Okay, so see that all three conditions must satisfy, otherwise you won't be able to form a triangle. So let us see it into Python. See that I'm going to write here. So see that first of all, if you have a side A is equal to anything, I'm not writing here, A, B and C. Sorry, A, B and C. I have written question mark because I haven't filled any value. Okay, anything we can take value from user input. So I can take values from user input. Okay, so see that what is happening here. Now see that as I checked, if A plus B must be greater than C, end means this must be true, this must be true. It means B plus C must be greater than A, and C plus A must be greater than B. So all three conditions must be satisfied. Thereafter you will be able to, it means your sides will be able to form a triangle. Otherwise these three sides will not form a triangle. Okay, now see that if you should write that a message that one should write that print uh, these sides these sides can form a triangle. Okay, these sides can form a triangle. See that. Now if you want to check that whether it is a right angle triangle, so see that here you will write that if, see that first of all you have checked that will these three sides form a triangle. If it is okay, मतलब एक एग्जाम में पास हो गया कि वो ट्रिंगल है, देर आफ्टर आप ट्रिंगल के अंदर यू विल कम इनसाइड ट्रिंगल. So what type of triangle it is? So I'm suggesting one here, you will tell me another. See that you will check that. I'm going to check here right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So should I recall that right angle triangle? let me recall. So here I'm at 7 page. See that right angle triangle. You know that already. If you have three sides, so this angle must be of 90 degree. So for example, if you have 5 and 12, okay, so 13, because 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. So this condition must satisfy. Okay. So let us see that this type of triangle is called right angle triangle. And what you will do here, see that here a square, you will write a star star 2 plus b star star 2. See that is equal to, double is equal to c star star 2, or any condition is true. See that here is end, but if any condition is true, then the triangle would be right angle triangle. So that's why I'm writing here. See that I'm writing here as usual, but when we will write on Python editor, so we will use this one. So I'm writing here b square plus c square is equal to a square. See that this type of expression we cannot write in Python. So I'm writing like this one here just for a time saving. So c square plus a square is equal to b square. Then what you will see? You will print like this one, print triangle is right angle. Okay, see that if you say that only like this one, if see that you can also use if, or you can use here L if. Okay, in L if you can write A is equal to B and B, sorry, if A is equal to B, B is equal to C and C is equal to A, then who will tell me what is the name of that triangle? Who will tell me? What is the name of that triangle? If
Equilateral.
equilateral. Equilateral. See that spelling, I don't remember, it might okay. Equilateral. Okay, so let us check that. Let us come on Thony editor and see that you can also add others and you can show me. Okay, suggest me that others, I don't remember now. So let us see that we are having three sides. Okay, we are having three sides. So A is equal to, I'm assigning anything, 3, B is equal to, I'm assigning 6, and C is equal to, I'm assigning 5, like this one. Okay, thereafter I'm going to check if A plus B, if A plus B greater than C, thereafter end must be here. ऐसा नहीं कि ओनली ए और बी ग्रेटर देन सी हो, ये सब भी हो सकता है कि सी और मतलब बी और सी मिलके ऐसे ही छोटे हो जाएं, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, ट्रिंगल विल नॉट बी फॉर्म. तो बी प्लस सी मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन ए एंड सी प्लस ए must be greater than B. So after checking this one, you would be able to say that this is these you can write that any message, these sides form a triangle. Okay, at least you would be able to say that this is a triangle. After that, this is a triangle. Then you can check that what type of triangle it is. Okay, actually you are moving like this one. Suppose that if you have three sides, so here you have entered here triangle. Okay, at least if you have A, B and C, D, so if you are asked that whether A, B, C can form a triangle, yes, so you are here. Now type of triangle, so you are moving one step further. Okay, so the same way here you are moving one step further. So if A plus B is greater than C and B plus C is greater than A and C plus A is greater than B, so yes, it is forming a triangle. But what type of triangle? Okay, so see that if, let us first check that equilateral A is equal to B and there must be end. B is equal to C and C is equal to A. So this will form equilateral triangle. So print equilateral triangle. Equilateral. See, check spelling. I don't remember now. Triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle. Thereafter, as I say that right angle triangle. If A star star 2, A square plus B square is equal to square. Okay, C square. Or, see that here I am writing here or because if A square plus B square is equal to C square, so it must be a right angle triangle. ऐसे कि end हो, अगर see that here why I am writing here, please see that you can understand the use of end and or. See that if I say that this is very, you can say that very common right angle triangle 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so if I say that this is base, this is what I said that perpendicular and hypotenuse, I don't remember now. This is base, hypotenuse and you can say that here name I don't remember now. So if you say that 4 is square plus 3
Perpendicular.
perpendicular, okay, yes, I say the perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. Okay, see that 4 square is equal to 3 square is equal to 5 square. See that if this condition is satisfied, okay, so yes, this must be a right angle triangle. So you will check or here if A, B, here C and B, but you should not check अगर आप end लिखते, if you write end and if you write that if this triangle is right angle triangle, so if you write end, so what will happen, 3 square plus 5 square is equal to 4 square, means ऐसा भी चेक होने लगेगा, है ना, और एंड में व्हाट विल हैपन, you will require all these three condition to be true. तो इसीलिए any one is true, so it's okay, it is a right angle triangle. बाकी को फॉल्स भी है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बिकॉज यू आई हैव गिवन द एग्जांपल ऑफ 4 3 5, 4 स्क्वायर 16, 3 स्क्वायर 9 एंड 5 स्क्वायर 25. एक बार हो गया, हियर इफ इट इज सेटिस्फाइड, सो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. कोई और कंडीशन होता है क्या? नहीं, है ना. ऐसा नहीं कि तीनों एकदम वैसे ही होने चाहिए जैसे ऐसे हुआ, नो. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे एंड एंड चाहिए, तीनों होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे कोई एक भी हो गया तो इट्स ओके. और आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर बी स्क्वायर. See that I am going to copy here, because you can see that the pattern. Copy, thereafter Control V. Here you can change that B, here C, here A. And thereafter you will put R and Control V. See that little bit bigger here. So here I will change that C, A, C I can also do, but sorry, B, C, C, A here, A and B. Okay, and thereafter you must have colon, and see that what will happen. Print, you will say that right angle angle. Okay, so now let us try that. And thereafter finally what here I have written actually if. You can also write L if. Okay, these are related as I have said that. Thereafter here see that here condition is that A plus B is greater than C, B plus C is greater than A, and C plus A is greater than B. So this will form a triangle. If it does not happen, means these conditions are not satisfied. So you should have also else. Okay, और वो जो होगा it would be equivalent to this if, and you will write that print these sides not form a triangle. Okay, so these sides cannot form a triangle. So let us try that. See that 3 5 6 cannot, okay, form a triangle. Okay, but see that these sides can form a triangle, but we haven't checked for right. Actually these are not right angle triangle or equilateral. Let us put some data here so that they can be right angle triangle. So 3, if I make here 4, see that 3 4 5, see that you can see the answer. These sides can form a triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, so see that first of all it is saying that these sides can form a triangle, and thereafter it is saying that what type of a triangle. Okay, you can see these sides can form a triangle, a right angle triangle. Triangle, I have written triangle, right angle triangle, ZLE. Okay, so right angle triangle. See that, let us see that for equilateral. If I say that about equilateral, 3 3 and 3. Okay, so you can see that these sides can form a triangle, equilateral triangle. Previous one was right angle triangle. Okay, 3, 5, 4, right angle triangle. But if you give all values equal, so what will happen? It would be equilateral triangle. So two types triangle I have checked. Let us see that. If I put here 10, 13. So who will tell me what would be the output here? Who will tell me? What would be the output here? If sides are A 13, 3 and 3, C is equal to 3. So what would be the output?
Sir, these sides cannot form the triangle.
Yes. So yes, these sides cannot form a triangle. Okay. Let us run it. Yes. These sides cannot form a triangle. Let us see that here what I am doing. One more concept I wanted to explain you. See that यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? I'm writing here. Here I am writing that a square प्लस बी स्क्वायर, और यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे कितना इधर एक्सप्रेशन बन जा रहा है. यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे इतना एक्सप्रेशन बन जा रहा है. I want to explain you about storing conditions. See that. यहाँ पे आपको मैं एक और कॉन्सेप्ट बताने जा रहा हूँ और इसी में I will include that concept. See that I am going to explain storing conditions in a variable. See that हम लोग लिख रहे थे इतना बड़ा, if a square plus b square is equal to c square or something like this one. Like this one. We can also do this one like this one here. Suppose I am writing this here. I am writing here a is equal to something 3, b is equal to something 4 and c is equal to 5. Okay. So see that if I write that condition, actually this is storing a condition. Condition a square plus b square plus is equal to c square. We can write this one. Condition 2, b square plus c square is equal to a square. See that ऐसा हम लोग नहीं लिख पाएंगे, स्टार स्टार लिखना पड़ेगा. If I am writing that like this one, so please understand that I am writing like this one. For a time saying I am just using this one. Okay. So condition 2, condition 3, c square plus a square is equal to b square. You can store this 3 one. Condition 1, condition, and you can write that if condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3, then print right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. triangle. Okay. So you can also store a condition inside a variable. So let us see that how it can happen. So I am going to open Thony editor Okay, so here I'm going to store this one, copy, not copy, but I'm going to cut it. See that, cut, and you can store in condition 1, control V. Okay, the same way condition 2, condition 2, and you can cut here. Okay, and you can control V, and thereafter condition 3, COND, condition 3, and thereafter you can store this, cut, and you can store control V. Let me decrease the font size. See that font size I have decreased. Now we have stored these three conditions. What you will do? You will write here COND, condition 1, COND, condition 2, third one COND, condition 3. Okay. Now I'm going to run it using debug mode. So please be careful about that. Again I am taking 5, 12 and 13. Okay. So who will tell me what would be the output? Anybody? Will anybody help me? What type of triangle this is?
The right angle.
Good. Right angle. 5 square 25. 12 square 144. If you add them 169. This is the square of 13. Okay. So right angle triangle. But see that how, if I running in debug mode. See that. Debug mode. A is being selected. Thereafter one step further. A is referring to 5, B is referring to 12, C is referring to 13. See that condition. Here, see that A square is being evaluated, 5 square, 25. See that very carefully. 25 plus 144 equal to, here is it is 69. See that 69. So that is true. Condition 1 is true. So in condition 1, true is being stored. Let us see that the control has come on condition number 2. See that 144, 169. See that 313, and here 25. So 313 is not equal to 25. Okay. So it is false. Condition number 2 is false. See that condition number 3, 169 plus 25. See that, is it equal to 144? No. So this is false. So condition 3rd is also false. Now let us see that the control will come in the area of if, block of if. See that if is A plus B greater than C. See that 5 plus 12 greater than C. See that yes, the first condition is being satisfied. Second, see that 12 plus 13, is 12 plus 13 greater than 5? Yes, second is also true. See that. Third, check that. It is checking, I am not writing here anything. 13 plus 5 greater than 12. Yes. So all conditions are satisfied. So the whole result would be true. So control will come inside the if block and it will print these sides can form a triangle. Okay. Now let us see that the control has come inside this if. Let us see that here. Please see the one which is being selected. So see that it is not forming an equilateral triangle. Why? See that. I have put end, end, and end. Because all, see that, is 5 equal to 12? No, obviously. So false. और मैंने बताया था, as I said that, if you have many end, and if a single logical expression is false, so Python interpreter not will check further. It will come on the next, you can say that statement. In this case, it is elif. To see that, what will happen? See that condition 1 is true. To see that, अगर एक कंडीशन भी ट्रू हुआ, शॉर्ट हो आ रहे हैं, बाकी फॉल्स में होगा तो डजेंट मैटर. So only one, you can see that only condition 1 is being checked, and thereafter it has come and it has been printed. So you can see that how control flow works. And okay, so you can see that here the whole